What are you making?
I'm making some sliders with a cheese sauce. We can have that moment where you pour something over it and we eat.
Yeah, it sounds as simple as it's not going to be.
So I'm making sliders with a goopy cheese sauce and some onions. Interestingly enough, the onions are gonna take the longest, so I put a saute pan on, and I just slice the onions and I start browning them under pretty high heat in a little bit of oil.
Hey, Roxy.
No, I'm gonna
Here's
add
your
a little
official
bit of-
taste tester. Roxy's here.
Roxy is sniffing around for
What'd you just hit there, balsamic?
No, I put just a little straight up red wine vinegar in
Red
there.
wine vinegar, okay?
You know, everybody has it and nobody really uses it like a wine sometimes instead.
It just smelled sweeter when you just hit me, when you
know,
wafted me.
That's because people don't have a good one. Like, spend a little money on your red wine vinegar, right?
Yeah, like $2.89 instead of $2.29.
Right.
So let me get this, Alex. Give me a little rundown. I've got the onions. I feel good about that part.
Honestly, I did as I do at home. I'm making a cheese sauce. I dug around. You've got some Gruyere, which is my favorite.
Oh.
You need that one barnyard kind of like meh cheese. I see there's some cheddar, some Gruyere, a little bit of Gouda, and some Parmigiano Reggiano. So I'm gonna pour all those into the cream. I add a dollop of Dijon and a dollop of grainy mustard, and I just let that cook.
What's going on? Cast iron, which is my favorite thing in the world.
Did you drop some burgers in there?
Yes, absolutely. Did you season these?
Yeah, I did. Five in each, really spread out. I like a lot of geography for burgers.
A lot of geography, do you now?
I like a lot of space so you really
No, I don't
get
like them
that
to steam.
crust.
I want to build a really nice crust.
Guy comes over, I say, you know what, Guy? Start cooking some burgers for me. We're at his house. I don't see his dish. He can cook these burgers.
But this is great. I mean, sliders are one of those cool little entertaining items that you can have. You know, people see that.
Yes.
Okay, good talk.
No, but you don't put the dimple. You don't do the dimple, right?
I'm not dimpling because I want that home-cooked effect. But I agree. The dimple
I always
works.
do it, but...
Keeps the edges from curling up. You get that nice brown. But honestly, my dimple is just a little bit of butter. That's my dimple.
And that keeps it from hockey pucking?
Little crust.
Oh, okay.
Did you cook the ketchup?
I did just cook a little ketchup. I don't like ice-cold ketchup on a slider.
What?
So you just warmed it up?
What?
Yeah.
That's great.
And now I'm just gonna add a little bit of sliced pickle.
See, so she starts off with the, well, I'm not really gonna do much.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna make a slider and some onions, and that's about it. But then let me do my ketchup ninja trick on you.
I wanna heat the ketchup here. I do. I wanna reduce it a little bit. I wanna almost make it ketchup-ier. Is that a word?
What's going on with this?
Just a little bit of, and you don't have to put this, but the tiniest bit of fresh chili. I'm gonna put a few slices of chili on top of the onions on each burger. I don't want it to be blow the lid off spicy. I just want it to have a little kick.
Alex, these look delicious. You got the magic ketchup with a little bit of the pickle. You got the caramelized onions that have a little red wine vinegar, a touch of the serrano, and some drizzle of the cheese. Wow, there's a lot of serranos on that one. That's enough?
Good.
Give a little hunch to this.
Oh my God, I feel like I'm on Triple D at home.
No, please try.
Oh my God, he went extra deep on the... Hold on, we need a napkin.
It's medium rare, nice crust on it. That sweet and sour going on with the onions is awesome. But the kicker,
I love the bites he takes. No one takes a bite like you.
the kicker is the cheese sauce is redunkulous.
Oh, I'm so glad.
Try by that.